Well, this is going to be a fairly close to home ride. I think I'm just going to be cruising around my neighborhood streets and maybe talking, maybe not talking. I don't know. Don't have much to talk about. So I just don't feel good like usual, so I don't really want to get too far away from home right now. In case I need to make a beeline for home. It's pretty nice out here today, though. It said according to, god damn it, that's got grass in my eyes, son of a bitch. Okay, according to Google, it's 63 degrees. Well, it was 63 degrees like an hour ago, so I'm thinking it's probably closer to 70 now. But there is a nice chill to the air. I got grass because the dude with the leaf blower over there was blowing, and apparently there was some little pieces of grass floating around in the air, and he decided that they needed to meet my eyes. So, yeah. There's more fucking rocks over here, dude. Like somebody came through here with like construction rocks or some shit, like for gardens or some shit, and fucking just spilled them everywhere because they're over by my house and they're on that street right there. It's a stray dog. That dog has like a leash though. That's weird. Sometimes I'll forget and I'll look to the back of my bike, the shadow on the back of my bike, and I'll see something sticking out, and then I realize it's the kickstand shadow. Like, what's protruding from the back of my bike? And it's the fucking kickstand. Oh, man. There's another little dog running around out here. A bunch of loose dogs out here. Well, a couple, not a bunch. If I see more, then it'll be a bunch. Still got the Starman song stuck in my fucking head. It just won't go. I said that yesterday in my video, my short I uploaded, and I get on there and I'm watching shorts, and like every other freaking short's the same damn song. Oh man, this might be a super short ride. I'm not doing too good right now. Oh Jesus, I ate something. I had some ice cream and it irritated me for some reason really bad. So I guess I gotta quit eating ice cream again. Okay, there's a third dog that's been, there's a bunch of loose dogs. I saw 3 dogs that are loose. Well, the sun's kind of in front of me, but kind of overhead too, so it's annoying, but I can see where I'm going, mostly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just do a couple more blocks and go back home. Maybe I'll try to ride this evening if it cools off, because I'm not really into this ride right now. I thought I was, but I don't know. I just don't feel it. I'm not feeling it. Kind of sucks. It's like really nice out here. I really don't want to go home, but I'm kind of in pain right now, so I kind of need to go home. Should have probably just kept going straight down Marshall, but I'm extending it a little bit. Still kind of need to be careful on these curves. My rear tire is still really new. And as we all know, cement isn't exactly grippy. Oh, we got some construction. Oh, they're not here right now. They're prepared to be here, they're just not here. There's some more. Maybe they're gonna tear the road up and fix this shit. That'd be awesome. Pavement ends. Now that we paved this already, the pavement is still here. trying to think of a title for this really short video I'm about to upload, meaning the video I'm doing right now. Oh well. Gotta make up a new diet plan for myself again. Fuck. Oh, I don't feel good. Jesus Christ. Oh. God damn. I think I need to get a diabetes test, man. I'm starting to feel fucked up anytime I eat anything that has sugar in it. I just feel sick. I feel sick. I'm okay with bland or salty stuff. I'm not okay with... Well, I actually went 3.3 miles. Okay. Fuck it. Not okay with sugary stuff anymore. Even like yogurt is like irritating me. So I'm fucked. I'm fucked even more. Yay. Oh well. So I got out of the house for a little while. Like what, 15 minutes or so probably. Shit. Fuck. Oh man. Word to my viewers, if you're younger and you're obese or fat, lose weight. If you're not, if you're just like, just don't get fat. Just try not to. It fucks you up later in life. It's pretty horrible what that starts to do to you. I've been struggling with my weight for a really long time. Up and down, up and down, up and down for decades, and last few years has just been up for me, so just, yeah, lose some weight. Unless you got some kind of like thyroid problem or a medical condition or some shit, then I'm sorry. But if you can, definitely lose some weight. This shit sucks. Fuck. I'm gonna start borderline starving myself again. I started feeling better, so I started eating a little bit more again. Because I was kind of almost starving myself. Not that that's gonna hurt for a couple 100 pounds. So, oh Jesus. Anywho, that was my pathetic little hopeful ride that didn't turn out so hopeful. I'm just gonna kind of end this right now because I want to go inside. So, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I will see you in my next ride. Hopefully this afternoon. Hopefully I'll be able to go later. Really want to do a ride, but don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thanks to all my subscribers and viewers. Appreciate y'all. Okay, bye.